In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft Copilot. If you want to get rid of Microsoft Copilot from your Windows computer, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to your keyboard and press the Windows key. This opens the Start menu and gives you quick access to Windows Search. If you're not used to using keyboard shortcuts, don't worry. The Windows key is usually located near the bottom left area of your keyboard and has the Windows logo on it. Once the Start menu is open, type Copilot into the search bar. As you type, Windows will start showing matching results automatically. You should see Microsoft Copilot appear in the search results. Make sure you select the correct app so you don't accidentally open or modify something else with a similar name. After you find Copilot in the search results, look for the uninstall option and click it. In many cases, Windows will either begin the uninstall process right away or open a settings window where you can confirm the removal. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and approve it so the uninstall can continue. At this point, Windows will remove Microsoft Copilot from your device. Depending on your system speed, this may happen almost instantly or take a few extra seconds. It's a good idea to wait until the process fully finishes before closing any windows, just to make sure the app has been removed properly. If you don't see the uninstall option immediately, take a second to check the app result carefully, because Windows sometimes displays options in a side panel or context menu. Staying patient here helps avoid clicking the wrong setting. And that's it. By pressing the Windows key, searching for Copilot, and clicking Uninstall, you can quickly remove Microsoft Copilot from your computer without needing any advanced technical steps. If you're following along while watching this video, you may want to pause after each part so you can complete the action at your own pace. This is especially helpful if your computer responds a little more slowly or if Windows shows a confirmation message before uninstalling. That's the full process for removing Microsoft Copilot, and once it's done, the app should no longer be installed on your system.